For a successful vet consultation, there is a number of key skills. The first of these is active listening. This is where you give the client your full attention. Nod and shake your head when it's appropriate, not interrupt, and also to repeat back what they have said just to check understanding. There's also a range of questioning types which are really good to use. These tend to be closed or open questions. Closed questions are those questions where you expect a no or a yes answer, or at most a couple of words. The open questions is where you're expecting the client to come back with a lot more detail. Both of these have their place at different points in the consultation. It's also important to show empathy to the client by saying, I see, I understand, so that they appreciate that they're actually very important. As a vet, you will come across a range of clients. Broadly speaking, this falls into two categories, the commercial and the non-commercial. The commercial tends to be the production animals, the sheep and the cattle. The non-commercial tends to be the pets, things like cats and dogs. Each client will have a different attitude and expectation, and it's important as a vet that you take this into consideration. Things like the bond between the animal and the client's attitude to finance, and also the previous history, what other treatments the animal may be taking already. All of these must be taken into account when dealing with each client. So as a vet, it's important that you establish the client's understanding. You will find some clients come that actually have quite a broad knowledge already of the vet profession, and you may want to adapt your language to suit that. It's also important to listen to what the client wants. Some clients will come with quite strong views on treatment, and it's important that you don't dismiss this. The main thing to remember is it's important to listen to each client and take into consideration their wishes, with the caveat that it is important that welfare is never compromised.